Investing is often about backing strength, resilience, and long-term potential. But what if you could combine global expertise with India's growth story? Introducing Nippon India MNC Fund, an open-ended equity scheme that invests in companies with multinational DNA and local presence. These are brands you already know and trust, present in your home, your neighborhood, and maybe even in your portfolio. MNCs are backed by global parentage and driven by strong fundamentals. Whether it's pharmaceuticals, personal care, engineering, food products, or industrials, MNCs are woven into fabrics of India's growth. They benefit from global R&D capabilities, robust supply chain, and a long-term vision that goes beyond short-term market swings. But here's the exciting part. India is fast becoming the global growth engine. With India-based businesses having global capabilities, from rising consumption to export opportunities, India offers MNCs a runway for expansion. So through this fund, you're not just investing in companies, you're investing in synergy between India's momentum and global experience. You may get a portfolio that aims to capture quality businesses with strong balance sheet, premium branding, and with an aim towards long-term wealth creation. Nippon India MNC Fund, where global meets local and opportunities meet strategy. NFO closes 16 July 2025. For more information, please look onto the details shared on the screen below.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.